Hey there, my name is Rachel Carr and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a whole food plant-based dish called Bang Bang Tofu and Cauliflower. This dish is loosely inspired by a very similar appetizer from the Bonefish Grill called Bang Bang Shrimp. That dish has fried shrimp that are tossed in a very fatty mayonnaise-based sauce that has a little bit of spice and a little bit of sweet. In our version, we're going to be using air-fried tofu with steamed broccoli and cauliflower and a cashew-based sauce that's completely oil-free with a little bit of sriracha and brown sugar. And to top it all off, we're going to be serving it with some organic steamed brown rice. This dish is great for both lunch and dinner. I think you're really going to love it, and you're definitely going to love how easy it is. So let's get cooking.
The first step is to cook 1 cup of brown basmati rice in 2 cups of water for about 40 to 45 minutes covered. And then you're going to fluff it with a fork and let it stand covered again for about 10 more minutes. While the rice is cooking, we're going to cube 1 block of firm organic tofu, and then we're going to cook it in the air fryer for about 10 minutes at 390 degrees Fahrenheit. Since this is a whole food plant-based recipe, we're not going to be tossing the tofu in any oil. We're just going to be putting it plain into the air fryer for about 10 minutes. Keep an eye on how it's cooking because every air fryer works a little bit differently. It should look nicely browned on all 4 sides. I did flip it once throughout the process. For the veggies, we're simply going to steam the broccoli and cauliflower florets for about 5 to 6 minutes. Next, we're going to make the sauce. Now it's time to put it all together. The last step is to toss the tofu, vegetables, and half of the sauce together, and then you're going to serve it over the cooked brown rice. Save the other half of the sauce to drizzle over the finished dish if you want it to be saucier. You can also add a little bit more sriracha and salt and pepper once you've tossed the veggies and the tofu together with the sauce to kind of get it to how you want it to taste. And now we're ready to plate the dish by putting the brown rice into 2 bowls and then topping it with the mix of veggies, tofu, and Bang Bang sauce. It's really nice, topped with sesame seeds, a little bit of chopped scallions, and even some fresh herbs like cilantro. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to air fry that like button and please subscribe for more healthy and delicious recipes.